going to do something quite unusual, people. I'm going to make a chocolate cake. Crazy as it may sound. For this, I'm going to have some dry ingredients, some wet ingredients, mix it all together and hope for the best. Strange things about me, which you'll come to realize, I don't use measurements, none at all. I'm just going to do everything by what I think needed, how I think it's needed. Let's see how this goes. Alright, cool. So first ingredient, I'm going to use some flour is going to go in. I have a lot of it. I'm going to put some in. I think that's enough plain flour. Looks like about 2 to 3 cups. More than enough. Second thing I'm going to put in is some cocoa powder. Because after all, it is chocolate cake. Okay. This one just a bit darker. It's not organic. Yeah, so we have a lot of cocoa powder there. Looks like about 1.5 cups of cocoa powder. For those people who good with measurement, that looks like about 1.5 cups. What do you think? Next thing going in there is a bit of sugar. That looks like about 1/2 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. Next going in here is a little bit of baking soda, people. Thing is, I don't have baking powder. I don't have baking soda. That looks like about a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda, but I don't. Let's hope it doesn't affect this cake too much. So I'm just mixing all of that together as much as possible. I think it's a bit too much, people. What do you think? Anyway, it's all part of the process. Work with the process. Just gonna add a little bit more sugar to it. Not too much. Maybe 2 tablespoons sugar. It could go right. Let's see how it goes. To that, people, but I have a tiny bit of vanilla extract, so I'm going to add some vanilla extract. If you have the essence, that's better. The essence is the darker one. So there you go, a bit of vanilla extract, maybe about a teaspoon. Eggs, yeah, 2 eggs. Yeah, 2 eggs. Give with mine 3 eggs. Some vegetable oil. Yeah, so that's my wet ingredients done. So I'm going to add these wet ingredients to the dry ones, like so. No people, battery's finished. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grease these pans up and pour it in. So even though this battery is finished and you change it,
Dad, it's not sweet.
You won't miss much.
Will it?
Yes, people, so I'm going to do one. My wife said I should put thick lining. So if you have one of these, spare from all of that. So come see if this is enough.
This is a good amount.
Yes, people, so this is the cake. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's light. That's the cake. That's how the cake turned out from yesterday. Looking very nice. My wife put the little skewer in it and it came out very, very dry, as you can see. So this cake is ready to be served. But I'm not gonna give it to her like this. I'm going to put some icing on it, some homemade topping for this cake. So let's get this done. To do this topping, I'm going to use butter, cream cheese or soft cheese, and some cocoa powder. Ingredients. Okay, let's move on to the next stage. Maybe slightly more than a half. A little bit vanilla, even though the brown one would be better, but I'm going to use what I have. So some vanilla is in, terms of size, you know, this is a no size cake. I'm gonna put about half a cup. Okay people, so this is where it gets a bit tricky with this chocolate cake, because I don't have these frosting bags thing. So I'm just going to use a spatula, and I'm going to use the sauce, and I'm going to just coat it on and see how that goes. People who are cake enthusiasts, tell me if there's a right or wrong way to do this. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But I'm doing it my way. Hopefully my wife will appreciate the effort. Well, if you never knew, you know now. Your boy is a boy who love style.
Come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my feet up off the floor, move my hips closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. I'll be the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on the dance floor and baby show me all your moves, all your grooves. Shorty, I got something to prove to you. So come on, take a little chance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance, dance a little dance. Come on, dance a little dance. little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. Come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance and just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty.